Come join me on a tour of my home office. Over here is a dream catcher to greet you as you walk in the door. This is a mandala that I've had for many years that I really love the color and patterns. This is one of the most important parts of my office, and this is my angel card collection. I've been doing readings for about 10 years now, so during coaching sessions, I'll do readings for clients. This is Archangel Uriel, who uses his torch to light the way. I'll sit on my little love seat over here if I don't feel like sitting at my desk to work. I love having pieces with positive words on them. I feel like they are silent affirmations that raise my vibration. Behind these curtains is a sliding glass door that leads out to the balcony. I sit over here to do Zoom meetings, coaching sessions, what have you. And this is a piece that I really love. Just a girl boss building her empire. I love being an entrepreneur. It's been in my blood for years. My salt lamp, my diffuser, putting some lavender oil in that is very relaxing. I've got my Echo device. I can tell it to play meditation music or whatever I feel like playing. And this is another piece that I love. Though she be but little, she is fierce. I got that at the home goods store and I snatched it right up. Whether it's your workspace or the space where you sleep, it's important to have a good feeling space. After all, those are spaces where you spend most of your time. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour, and I look forward to seeing you next time.